Put all the parts together to build a work vehicle. Body, cabin, door, tire, fire extinguishers, light, bracket, ladder, hose. Perfect! Help Frosty get ready for work. Dress him and help him put on his gear. Great! This map shows where we're needed. Where should we go?
Frosty, help!
The fire truck is on the way to help. Change lanes to avoid the obstacles. Uh-oh! Ouch! Ow! Fire trucks carry all the tools needed to fight fires and save lives. Help has arrived.
Oh no!
The fire truck is here to extinguish the flames. Direct the water to the flame the fire is weakening. Shoo flames! The fire is weakening.
Thanks a bunch!
The vehicle needs a wash after work. Spray foam over the vehicle until it's completely covered. Scrub the vehicle with the brush to remove all the dirt. Aim the water at the vehicle and wash away all the germs.